video, we are going through Secret Story of the Swan by IZ*ONE. We just went through the first chorus in our Kpop Dance Workshop. A lot of fun. First, we started with just learning the choreography, but towards the end of the workshop, we actually got into the formation, kind of modified specifically for a workshop, but everybody did such a great job and it was so much fun. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus of this song, and at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna try with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start, I would like to let you guys know that we have in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer free live workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that opens to any ages and dance levels. So whoever loves K-pop, dancing, no matter where you live, please feel free to join us. All of the informations are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we actually gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and we all gonna get down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the 5, we're gonna open the right hand, right arm up, and then step out to the right, and then we're just gonna shake the upper body. Yes, this is like swan pose. So from here, we're gonna step right and then shake. Good. In a count, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. After this, we're gonna put the left foot together to the right one. Bring the arms all the way up, back, back, back. And then bring it on top of your head. Yes. From here, step to the right, hands all the way up on top of your head. Next, we're gonna step to the left and move the swan, swan, swan. Yes, it's like your arms are winged. Yeah. So you're just gonna move the arms back first, and then push it forward, and then back again. Yes. And then your body moves the opposite. So when your arms go back, your body lean forward, and switch, and switch. Good. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, swan. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. After here, you're just gonna step left. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after this, we're gonna face front and extend the right hand up. Yes. Kind of you point with your index, but yes. Put your left foot together to the right, hands up, left hand on your hip. And then bring the right hand underneath of your chin, move to the left, right, and then you're just gonna point, touch your right head, tilt your neck to the left, and then stand up straight. Good. So after swan, 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 hands up, chin, point, head, stand up straight. This is just basically your right arm moves. So after swan, 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 hands up, chin, point, head, down. Yes. And then this is also kind of formation change, so you can basically do walk or step in place with your foot. After this, move, and then foot together. Good. Let's go through from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands up, chin, and point, and head down. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, one more time, we're gonna open the arms, and then this time you're just gonna step back with your right foot. Step back, hands on top of your head, and then we're gonna repeat the same move. Swan, swan, swan. And then the next time, you're just gonna face right, and then bend your right knee, and then you're just gonna flip the left hand just like this and bring it in front of the chest. Now you're just gonna switch the leg and drink a cup of tea. Yes. Left hand turn into your plate, and then bring your right hand and hold a teacup. There you go. Good. After swan, 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 face to the right and tea. Good. Alright, we are halfway through already, so let's go through from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, swan. 5, 6, 7, 8. hands up, chin and point and head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right and T. Good. In the count 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. This choreography, I feel like your hands are really important, so make sure you extend your fingers first of all, and then don't just open or leave it long like that. You can maybe like middle fingers and the thumbs get a little bit closer, just like this. Yeah, it looks more beautiful hands. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next half. After drink a cup of tea, we're gonna switch to another idol who's dancing in the middle. So from this pose, we're gonna face front and sleep. Yes. Point your right toe and put your hands together. Place next to your left cheek. You're just gonna sleep, 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 sleep for 4 counts, and then we're gonna work forward. Yes, this is the time you're gonna shine. After sleep, now you're just gonna step and open your arms to the side. Step from your right foot. If you can, you're gonna add a little hop as well. 5, 6, 7, sleep. 1, 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after this, we're gonna move to this swan, another swan moves. So basically, your foot point to your toes facing forward, and then you're just gonna kick right with your right heel. Your right heel goes out, in, out, in. So your right knee goes in, yeah, out. And at the same time, you can pivot your left toe as well. Take your left heel a little bit off the mat and then twist, switch, just like this. Here we go. And then your arms, left hand is on top, right hand is in front of your chest, and you're just gonna swipe to the right. There you go. Okay, just like this one. 2. We're gonna go only twice. After work, we're gonna go swan, swan. Now feet together. We're gonna step left and then bring your right hand, go around the head. Left hand is on your hip. Just gonna go around your head, open your chest, and then one more time, step left, and you're just gonna extend the left hand. Yes, from the elbow and the left fingertip comes all the way to the end. Yes. Step left, feet together. Step left one more time. Next, we're gonna put the feet together and then go hands down, head down, slightly face to the right. Next, you're gonna touch the knees on the mat. You can open your knees. Basically, from here, you're just gonna go the floor move. So open your knees, and then we're gonna go head circle once to the left, and then move your arms and the chest one more time to the left circle. Yes, and then stand up from your right foot and open your arms. Just like in the beginning, yes, open your arms and make a swan pose when you stand up. After swan move, you're just gonna step left first, feet together. One more time, step left, extend your left hand. Now, hands on the knees down, and head circle, chest and arm circle, and then stand up. Now we're almost done. After stand up, you're just gonna bring the arms in this position. Left hand comes to the bottom of your right elbow, and you're just gonna pop the right shoulder with your left foot forward. Good, yes. After stand up and pop. Now step back, hands up, go all the way down. Good, this is it. Okay, so let's go through one more time from the swan moves. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step left, one more time. Left, down, head, arms, stand up, and pop the right shoulder. Step back, hands up, down. Good. Alright, let's go through with the beginning of the second chorus with the counts, which is the sleeping part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and sleep. 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, swan. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left, one more time. Left, down, head, arms, stand up, and pop. Step back, hands up, down. Good. Alright, in the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, swan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Good. Alright, let's put whole choreography together, and we're gonna speed up a little bit because the action music is a lot faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, chin and point and head back. 1, 2, 3, swan. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. T and sleep. 1, 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, swan. 2, 3, 4. To the left. One more time. Left. Down. Head. Arms. Stand up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Good. Alright, let's go through one more time, a little bit faster, and let's try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, sleep. 1, 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, swan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, down, head, arms, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Alright, now let's speed up. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swan. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Drink up tea and sleep. 2, 3, walk. 5, 6, 7, swan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and left. Down. Head, arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Alright, let's go through with the action music. Here we go. And down. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Sleep. 1. 1. 5, 6, 7, and left. Down. Head, arms, up. Alright, good job guys. How was it? Hope this tutorial will help you to get through this choreography, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! So this week we did a call instructors. We both spent like 2 hours to learn the choreography, break down into the counts, and get ready to teach in the workshop. It was pretty fast, but so much fun. Every song is so fast.